full responsibility for that. Do you assume responsibility for the death of Kian De Los Santos, Mr.
No.
Chair? No.
Rumble on those many things.
No, no, no. I'm not rambling, Mr. Chair. Very specific yung mga tanong ko.
The specific ang law. Guilt is personal. Down on
Mr. Chair, you are pinned down by your own statements
you
of
cannot-
October.
you have to pin me
Mr.
down
Chair.
lower.
I'm not trying to pin you down
lawfully.
on
The exchanges
air.
are no longer productive.
I can make the confession now, if you want.
Mr. Chair.
Talagang niyayari ko. Meron akong death squad. Death squad. Pero hindi yung mga pulis. Sila rin yung mga gangster. Yung isang
Mr. Chair.
gangster, utusan ko. Patayin mo yan, kaya kung hindi mo patayin yan, patayin kita ngayon.
Nabanggit nyo, may sarili kayo ngayong tinayo na hit squad. Is that what you're trying to tell us? Para hindi po kami nalilito po. I mean, can we be very clear?
Hindi naman death
Salitang,
squad.
salitang, ano po ito? Salitang diretso. Opo.
Hindi naman death squad. Basta alam ng tao sa Davao na nandyan ako at magkamali ka and you commit a heinous crime at walang mapuntahan yung agrabyado, ako yan.
Nung structure nung death squad niya iyon.
Structure against crime and criminals.
Ibig sabihin, ano po yung setup? At sino yung pitong yon na miyembro ng death squad
Fight
niyo?
crime.
No, sir. Yung pangalan nung sabi nyo, pitong tao na nasa death squad nyo.
Mukhang patay naman sila lahat, ma'am.
It's okay, sir. Ano pong mga pangalan nila?
You know, when I was mayor, it's about 43. I am now 73. For the life of me, I cannot remember the name.
May rewards po ba yung pitong taong iyon kapag nakakapatay sila?
Ay, hindi, ma'am. Mayayaman yung mga... Maraming gago na mayayaman sa Davao. Hindi
Ano
mo
pong
kaya-
koneksyon ng mayayaman sa Davao
Gusto
dun sa
pumatay
miyembro
ng
ng
mga
death
kriminal.
squad?
Because
Ibig
they
sabihin-
want their city to be safe.